Login in HomeDepotCouriers.com. Hi everyone, it's me Mikran from Tech Basis. Hope you guys all are fine. Login in Home Depot Couriers is quite easy. Without any delay, let's start the video. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. You can use browsers like Google Chrome, Brave, Opera, etc. Search for Home Depot Courier. Type Home Depot Courier into the search bar of your web browser and press enter. This will display a list of search results. Select the official Home Depot Courier page. Look for the official Home Depot Courier page in the search result. It should be labeled as the Home Depot Courier. Click on the link to access the page. Find the sign in section. Once you are on the home page, look for the section where you can sign in. This is typically located at top right corner of the page. Log in with username or email and password. Enter your username or email and the password you created during registration into the appropriate field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password to reset it. Also, if you are using your own device, you can click to remember me. But if you are using other or public device, don't tick the remember me. Click sign in. After entering your username and password, click on sign in button to log into your Home Depot Courier account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to browse through available job opportunities at Home Depot. You can search for job based on location, department or keyword. That's it, you have successfully logged into the Home Depot Courier portal. If you found this video to be useful, press the like and share button. Also for more tutorials, subscribe us. Until then, bye bye.